Maricón. Maricón.
Mr. Producer.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from, Gunners, supporters, subscribers. I hope all of you are in good health. Today's a very exciting day. The reason there's a smile on my face like this is because like this following has done so much for the racing community, and what I didn't want to happen is I make a bunch of money in the sport, I make a bunch of money on YouTube, and I forget where I come from. So this is a 4-piston cylinder head, a K-series, right? I believe it's the 156 version 2. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know how it looks, what it looks like, what's in the box, did they give anything, whatever. So this is about a $2,000 cylinder head. So me and the owner Luke went half on it. So I sent him $990, he put the rest, and we got the cylinder head. So now how do you win this cylinder head, right? How do you win this? All right. So there's a box behind me with all the metal, where it is right there. And that's all the pieces that were cut from inside the car. So now, very crucial at the end of this video, you have to really pay attention. You're only allowed to post one guess on how much weight is in that box. We will include the box also. So I ordered a scale yesterday on Amazon. A nice, it's like a heavy duty scale. I guess it's what they use for shipping and whatnot. It's like an industrial one. So when that comes in, we'll weigh it. I honestly, hand to God and everything I love, I haven't even weighed it yet. I don't know what it weighs, anything like that. So we'll do it together when the scale comes in, right? But let's unbox this cylinder head and see what 4Piston sent us. Keep gunning, man. Gunner's World. Okay, so here we go. Let's unbox this puppy and see what one lucky subscriber and gunner is going to get. Now remember guys, in order for you to win this cylinder head, you have to subscribe to the channel, you have to like the video, and you have to only guess one time in the comments. Now, whoever gives their correct answer closest to the weight after 47 hours, whoever's the first person to comment that, depending on the time of day, will win. So just, and I emphasize on this a lot, guys, one subscriber can guess one time only. I don't care if you guys make a bunch of different emails and subscribe and guess from that, because I can't control that, honestly, right? But it goes down to one subscriber. You get one guess. If you're caught in the comments with more than one guess, you are automatically out, even if you get it down to the T. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got here. Again, big thank you to 4Piston. They've been doing so much for the sport these couple of years, and it's starting to show why they're #1 in racing. You know what I mean? If you think about the fastest cars in the world, they all have 4-piston cylinder heads or race programs. So this was a kind gesture from the owner, Luke. Big shout out to Luke. Big shout out to Josh, Ryan, Monday, all the guys over there. Great set of gentlemen, man. And if you're ever in the pits with them and you see them at the track, they treat you like humans. And that is the goal, is to treat our supporters, our fans, our followers like gold, because they will support us ultimately at the end, right or wrong. I know you guys are like, man, Aki, shut up already. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see some goodies in here. Oh, yeah. So you get the card from Luke. It's signed by him. We want to sincerely thank you for choosing our cylinder head program. We value you as a customer and a friend. Please let us know any questions you may have, whether it be related to your new cylinder head or anything else engine related. If you find that we would like to try some other things, We have a variety of different programs and options to make power in different ways. Don't hesitate to contact us if there is anything we can do to help. Thank you so much, 4Piston. You guys are carrying the sport to another level. Okay. You get a large tea here. I'll let you guys have this one. I won't keep nothing. You get 2 large. Okay, so, oh, one is for me. One is for me. All right, I'll give you guys one. I'll keep one because they sent 2 of the same. Okay. So we got a bunch of wrap here. Oh my God, look how beautiful that looks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now this is a fully CNC'd cylinder head. This is a value of about $2,100 after shipping. So the reason we couldn't get a valve train is because I didn't know what application this was going to go for. I didn't know if anyone was going to use it for turbo or motor, nitrous, I don't know. So Luke said, hey, the best suggestion to do is just give the cylinder head away, leave the valve train up to the winner. I think that's more than fair. Oh my God, guys, this thing is beautiful. Oh. All right, let's get this box out of the way. There it is in all its glory. This company is by far one of the biggest leaders in cylinder heads. Oh my God, look, the CNC porting on this cylinder head is second to none. I promise you guys. Oh, you know what? Let's try to save the bag so we can put it back in to ship it out to the winner. Oh man. I love you guys so much, man. I swear to God, I do everything in racing solely for your purpose, man. I really haven't raced this much this year, I'll be honest with you, because I've just been worrying about my followers, how to give them content, how to get them coupon codes, how to just take care of them. Because the biggest fear in racing to me is having a voice and not being able to use it to save people on headaches, getting raped with prices, just getting bamboozled and dealing with the wrong people. Now, if I have a voice to change that, this is my destiny. Why did I retire? Why did I lose my car, retire for 5 years, and then I got a call back on saying if I'd like to buy my shell back? Like, God's plan is being executed as we're living in the moment, as we're making history. Every week we make some kind of history. I know that's my purpose of being back into racing, is to help others, man. But off to that news, let's check out the cylinder head, man. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, guys. Hold on, let me give you some lighting. Oh, we're definitely gonna zoom in on this puppy. Let me give you some lighting though. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Someone is going to win this for free, bro. Like free 99. Just comment. That's so dope. Oh my goodness, guys. So, I mean, the angle jobs on these cylinder heads are incredible. This program has been in a lot of the fastest cars in the world. You get your guides, you get the CNC port. It comes stamped with their serial number, so they know exactly who has this cylinder head. But there it is, man, in all its glory. CNC 4-piston cylinder head. There it is. All right, let's get some nice angles for you guys and check out this porting, and we'll go from there. Wow, look at that. Look at that port job, gentlemen. Look at that port job, ladies. I got to get better with this camera, like knowing how to focus. I think it's on autofocus, but it's doing the job, right? Let me see if I touch the screen. How about right here if I touch it? Yeah, I'll get better. But yeah, there it is, man. The cylinder head. Someone is going to win this for free. Let's get some light here. Let's see if that helps a little bit. Too bright. All right, let's tone down the light a bit. Can we do that? Ooh, okay. Okay, Aki. Getting good, my boy. Ooh, change the color on them. Wow. So you get the guides in there. Just order yourself a nice valve train and it's yours. What a beautiful cylinder head. Awesome, awesome job. CNC ported. Come on, focus up, buddy. How do you focus up? Come on, Aki, learn it. Learn it. All right. Beautiful cylinder head. But yep, someone is going to win this. Come on. Come on. All right. I'm not that good. So basically, yeah, this is all the weight. This is all the weight you guys are going to guess. So all this weight right here came out of this vehicle. Now we're not doing the doors. The doors were not included. It's simply what we cut throughout the entire interior of the car. So all the pillars, the quarter panel, upper trunk. I didn't add the roof skin, and I didn't add what we cut here. So all you're basically guessing is right there, all up through there, and then the skin for the firewall. But this car came out immaculate. We've got some fine touches to do, but I love it. Hold on, let me see if I can make this a little, oh, there it is, a little brighter. Okay. There it is. I still got some more to cut over here. I'm going to cut that section out right there, this entire line. We're going to get this car even lighter. So our main goal is to have this as one of the lightest Hondas ever. Our main goal. I'm going to have Vicky pick this up from the front with the subframe and all the suspension. So yeah. That's it right there, guys. You are going to guess how much weight is in that box. Closest answer wins the 4-piston cylinder head. Closest answer wins the 4-piston cylinder head. There it is. For free. You don't pay for shipping, nothing. We get your information. I put it back in the box. I'll send you a shirt with it. And you go on and you be great. This is a great head start if you want to join the K-Series world. Great head start. Or if you have a K-Series, this is a great power adder. So guess the weight in here. One guess per subscriber. And in 47 hours, we will announce the winner. Alright guys, so this concludes the vlog, right? It's a short vlog. It's made simply for you guys to give your answer. How about this light? Let's check this out. A little too bright, but it is what it is. Alright, so yeah. You guys heard the rules. I've said it plenty of times inside the video, guys. I've tried my best to be fair. I don't want to cheat anyone out. I want everyone to have an equal opportunity. So subscribe, like, comment. You get one guess per subscriber. I don't care if you're guessing from your son's YouTube Kids account, as long as it doesn't have the same name guessing multiple times. So this is the cylinder head. Thank you so much to 4Piston Racing, man. Thank you so much for what you guys do for the sport. You guys are making customers into your friends. You're treating them with the utmost respect. You guys really need to grow a little bit more. I know it's super hard for you guys to get in contact with them right now. And trust me, man, this company is working on becoming the biggest name in racing, period. They're going to expand their facility. They're going to hire more people. And that's a great accomplishment. If you're ever in business and you're hiring more people, that means you're making more money. That means you're making more customers. You're making more people happy. So thank you so much to Luke. Thank you so much to Josh, Monday, Ryan, the whole entire 4Piston crew, guys. We are going to give this cylinder head away for absolutely free after this video. In 47 hours, we will announce the winner. From this video, 47 hours from when this exact video gets posted. So let's get to 20,000. We're going to give something else away. So every 10,000 subscribers, I am going to reinvest my money back into you. So I put $990 into this head. YouTube has made me $808 year to date right now. From when I started the channel to this date. So I've already taken all the money from YouTube and then I added some on top to support you guys and give you a head start and just to show you what this channel is about. It's about helping you. I'm sorry for blabbing on and rambling, but yeah, I don't know if I said it before, which I know I did. I love you guys, man. Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you for always watching my back on social media. And that's it. I'm going to prove how loyal I am to you. Are you going to prove how loyal you are to me? So keep gunning, man. 4PISTON Racing. Love you guys. Good luck to everyone, man. You're going to get this shipped to you in a couple of days.